Hi, today we're going to be playing the shuffleboard game. Okay, I'm going to show you the steps how to make it. Okay, first you put lines, you put tape lines in the middle, and then you mark it with Sharpie or any marker. And then second, you collect prizes, and then third, you get this, and then if it lands in that, I get that prize.
Okay, so what did you put down? So did you put prizes down already?
Yeah, I put the prizes down.
So you put
Those are the prizes.
So you put the prizes down in between the lines that you made, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I get it. So when you take the car and you push it or whatever you have to push, wherever the car lands, you get that prize?
Yeah.
That's a cool game.
Okay.
That's a homemade game.
Bo, it's your turn.
Roll the car, Bo.
Oh, you can't say that in the video.
Roll the car. So where did it land?
You got the phone.
You got the phone. Yay! Now, okay, you roll the car now, Luca.
Take it. I got Superman.
You got Superman. Okay.
Yay.
So you keep doing that until whoever gets win all the prizes, huh?
Okay. Bo, your turn.
And try it again, Bo.
Yeah. What do you get?
Whoa.
What did you get?
You got the slime.
You got the glitter glue.
You got the glitter
slime.
glue.
The glitter glue slime.
There you go. Get at the bow.
Here. Okay. Ready? Way back there. Come on.
Oh!
Yeah.
You got the stencil.
Yeah.
That's a pretty cool game.
You hand it to me, please?
You made that game all by yourself, Luca?
Yeah, I made this all by myself when you guys were in that room.
Oh, cool. That's a good game. Well, you know what? That's how you can make a game at home all by yourself with a little bit of paper, magic marker, and little gifts, gifts for your prizes.
Yeah, and it becomes really fun as you play it.
Ah, good.
Okay, it's my turn.
One more time. Go ahead. Let's see if you
No,
got
it's Bo's turn.
Bo, your turn.
Come on, Bo.
What'd you get? Oh, not quite. You didn't get anything. No, not yet.
You have to go
Look at your
in
turn.
that one, okay?
Look at your
Or you
turn.
want to try again?
Try again, Bo. Oh, nothing. Try again, Luca.
Okay, try again.
Oh, try
I'll
it.
give him an extra push. Yay!
Yeah,
you got
Bo,
Bluey.
you got Bluey. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
Oh no, Bo's winning.
Yay!
If I miss this, Bo wins.
One more prize left. Where is it?
I get
it's
one
this
more
cross
chance.
over here. Whoa, one more prize.
Okay, my last and final chance. If I miss this, Bo wins. No!
Oh, I fell off the cliff.
You
You won.
won!
Good job.
Good job.
And that's how you win, and that's how you play the game. And that
Yeah.
Luca made it. You can make it at home all by yourself, also, right, Luca?
Yeah.
That's cool.
I hope you liked this video. Bye.
Bye. Bye, Bodie.